Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the vehicle and road safety guidelines that you must observe in order to be safe at all times when driving a car. First, why do we need to practice vehicle and road safety? Each year, an astonishing 1.25 million individuals are killed in traffic accidents, and countless more are hurt. The World Health Organization has compiled a list of proof strategies for reducing traffic fatal accidents. Here are some of the safety guidelines that every car owner should observe in order to ride safely. Number 1. Wearing of seatbelts. Seatbelts keep passengers safe and secure inside the vehicle after a collision. Being completely thrown out from a car is often fatal. If you do not use your seatbelt, you may be thrown into a frontal airbag, which opens swiftly. This type of power has the ability to injure or even kill you. Number 2. Observe traffic lights. Every day, traffic lights play an important part in the flow of traffic. It prevents or at least lowers car accidents and crashes on the road, particularly at crossings. It ensures a safe and orderly flow of vehicles on roads and highways. When crossing the street, follow the pedestrians traveling in the exact way as you, if there is a traffic light. Stop at red and yellow signals and proceed when the light turns green. If somehow, the crossroads has a stop sign, allow any vehicle to come to a complete stop before crossing. Number 3. Follow road signs. Traffic signs are intended for your safety, and there should be no reasons against following traffic signs while walking or driving on roadways. Traffic signs protect you as well as everybody else who is traveling on the same street. Individuals should be aware of the essential traffic signs and regulations that must be observed when operating any car on public roadways. Aside from vehicular accidents caused by unsafe driving, there have been instances of irresponsible drivers leaving their children unsupervised inside the vehicle. Like in this video, which was shot by a concerned citizen.
Now I know what I'm seeing. Hey little buddy, you okay? Where your people at? You in this car at the junkyard? Hey little buddy, you okay? I'm about to call every law officer there is. That's some bull. Hold on, I'm gonna get you some help.
This is why the California government passed a legislation prohibiting parents or guardians from leaving their child alone in a car. In the fall of 2001, the governor of California signed into law Senate Bill 255, also known as Caitlin's Law. Named for Caitlin Russell, a 6-month-old who died after being left alone in a parked car for more than 2 hours, the law makes it illegal for a child to be left unattended in a motor vehicle. In accordance with Caitlin's Law, 70% of the proceeds from fines are used for the development and implementation of community education programs on the dangers of leaving children unattended in motor vehicles. This video's suggestions and advice are all based on studies and facts. For our own benefit, we should adhere to these vehicle and road safety guidelines. Being defensive and knowledgeable on the road is preferable to being careless and irresponsible. In the end, we all want what is safe for us and our loved ones. And as long as each of us is responsible for our own behavior on the road, there will be less road rage, less traffic congestion, and more time to enjoy the ride. That's it for today's video. See you all again soon. Bye.